Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I also am going to do an unboxing video for a phone case I got on Amazon, and no, I'm not sponsored by either Samsung or the phone case company. I bought this phone from Samsung.com, and so I got it shipped over. I like the design of the box with the black background with the phone outlined in white, and here's the actual phone. I got the titanium black. This phone is 1 TB. The front camera is a 12 megapixel camera. There are 4 cameras in the back, so one is 200, 2 are 50 megapixels, and the last one's 10 megapixels. The phone comes with the ejection pin for SIMs, and it also comes with one USB-C data cable. You have to buy your own power cable and power head because the phone does not come with it. This is the phone case I got from Amazon. I think it was around $15. The case seems pretty solid. This packet comes with 2 screen protectors, 2 lens protectors, and then 2 of each for the installing wipes. Overall, it seems like a pretty good deal. The case came with clear instructions. The instructions were easy to follow, and installing the rest of the case took maybe 5 minutes. I usually charge a new phone to 100% before turning it on, so this was the first time I turned it on after charging it to 100%. Alright, so this is the welcome screen. Here you can select the language you wanna, use your phone in. Alright, so here are a bunch of terms and conditions from Samsung. A couple of terms and conditions are mandatory, and I believe the third one is optional. Next up, they ask you whether you want to transfer data from your old phone to your new phone. So you could transfer your app data, your photos, videos, your contact information, etc. Do note that you need the app called Smart Switch on your old phone, and then you can use either a cable or you can use the wireless method to transfer data from your old phone to your new phone. Alright, so then it asks you what security features you want to add to your phone. So you can do facial recognition, you can do fingerprinting, patterns, pins, and passwords. Next up, they tell you about Gemini, the personal AI assistant. It asks you whether you want to enable it or not. And then you're provided with a small description of Galaxy AI with all the features that it has. Next up is Bixby, and it asks you whether you want to enable it or not. After Bixby is Samsung Wallet. You could set it up here or you could do it later. And then next up is the Samsung services. You're then asked to choose a theme for your phone, either light or dark. Before going to the home screen, you could check out new features of your phone. So it'll provide tutorials on how to use the different features of your phone. You could check these out here or you could check them out later. But once you're done, you could go to your home screen. And there you have it. You're now done setting up your brand new Samsung S25 Ultra. Alright, so now it's time to install the case. So first up, I'm going to install the lens cover. The instructions are pretty easy to follow. So you start off by wiping the lens with the wet wipe, and then use the dry wipe, and then use the sticker to remove any dust from the lens, and then you place the cover over your lens. Alright, so next up is the screen protector. It's almost the same thing. So use the wet wipe, you wipe down the screen, then use the dry wipe to wipe off the moisture. Then you use the sticky note to pull off any excess dust on your screen. You then peel off the sticky film from the screen protector and then place it on your phone. Make sure to align it so that it centers all the way around. After you place your screen protector on your phone, make sure to remove excess air bubbles by pressing down on it. If the excess air bubbles are hard to remove, remove the screen protector and try again. Once you're done attaching the lens cover and screen protector, you can now place your phone in the rest of the case. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. See you guys next time.